In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Reclaim AI with Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Connecting Reclaim AI to your Slack workspace can greatly enhance your productivity by allowing you to receive updates and manage your schedule effectively, right where your team communicates. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you need to log into your Reclaim AI account. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's a straightforward process and you'll be set up in no time. Once you're logged in, you will find yourself on the Reclaim AI dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. Next, we want to navigate to the Settings section. On the left-hand sidebar of your Reclaim AI homepage, look for the Settings option. It's usually located towards the bottom of the sidebar. Once you find it, click on it and you'll see a range of options. Your next step is to click on the Integrations tab. This is where you can connect various applications to Reclaim. Now let's connect to Slack. In the Integrations tab, you will see several options available. Locate the Slack integration option. It should be pretty easy to find. When you see it, go ahead and click on Add to Slack. This action will prompt a new window to pop up or redirect you to the Slack authentication page. At this stage, you'll need to authorize the permissions. You'll see a list detailing the permissions that Reclaim AI is requesting in order to access your Slack workspace. This will typically include managing your schedule and sending notifications. It's important to review these permissions carefully before moving forward. Once you've read through everything and you're comfortable, go ahead and accept the permissions to link the two applications together. Once these permissions are authorized, congratulations! You've successfully connected Reclaim AI with your Slack workspace. From now on, any updates or scheduling information from Reclaim will seamlessly sync within Slack. This means you can stay up to date with your schedule without needing to toggle back and forth between apps, saving you time and keeping you focused. Now that you've completed the integration, it might be a good idea to test it out. Head over to your Slack workspace and see if you receive any notifications or updates from Reclaim AI. This will ensure everything is working smoothly and you are all set to enjoy the full functionalities of both platforms. And there you have it. You've learned how to connect Reclaim AI with Slack in just a few simple steps. This integration not only streamlines your scheduling, but also enhances communication within your team, creating a more productive environment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching.